Hello friends, I'm Mukesh Singh. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create, containerize a React app. In this, we will create a React app Docker image, run it on the Docker desktop, and then we'll deploy that image to a Azure app service. So let's jump into the demo. And before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. For the demo, let's jump into Visual Studio Code. And here, as you can see already, I had opened a folder and I have opened this terminal. So to create a new React app, I'm going to use create React app. So let's type in npx create React app, and I name it as my YouTube app, and I'll hit enter. It will set up the project for us, and it will download all the dependencies what are needed in this project. To run it, now it is complete. So to run it, I need to first change the directory cd my YouTube app, and then npm start. I'll make it slightly bigger. So now, as you can see, it is running on a local port 3000. So if I open, see here it is running. So to make it more little bit of fun, what we'll do is we'll update this app.js file. So instead of this image, we'll add one h1 tag, which says welcome to tech world with Mukesh. Okay, and we'll save it. And if we see here, it's updated. Okay, extra hyphen is there. So yeah, okay, now it's perfect. We'll leave these things as is. Okay. So now our task is to create an image for this React application. So for this, we need a Docker file. So first of all, I'll stop it. So this stopped. And here at the root folder, I'll create a file which will name Docker file, and it comes without any extension. So here. So basically, Docker file is a file uh, which tells us what are the steps are needed for making this creating this image of an application for an application. So it's from from which base image we need to create, the node 21, and the next line is work dir. It is basically the working directory, so I name it as app. And next line is copy, so copy package, and all the package .json files. So package JSON, and it will be copied to uh, the working directory. So dot slash inside the working directory. Next, we need to run npm install, uh, run npm install, and after that, copy whatever the content we have to the same working directory. And we have to specify what port we need to run this container. So we'll give it 3000. And at last, what command to be run? So it will be npm start. That's it. It's a very simple one and a pretty basic one, which will run our application. So it is asking for to install the Docker extension, but for now I won't do that. Yeah. So now we have to build this image. To build an image, we have this Docker build command. So Docker build. This tag means what name we want to give. So I'm following this convention where I'm giving first the Docker Hub account name, and then the image name, because I want to push this image uh, to Docker Hub uh, so that we can deploy it to Azure App Service. So for that purpose, I'm doing that. If you are doing it for locally, you can just give something like my YouTube app, and that will work fine. And at last, we don't have to forget adding this dot. It tells like where the Docker file is. So now I'll hit enter. It will take a while to run and create this image. So I'll be back once the image is created. Now you can see the image is built. Let's check it in Docker desktop. So here in images, yeah, here you can see the image. It's there. So now what we'll do is we'll run this image in a container as a container. So we can do it directly either from here or by running a Docker run command. So we'll do it by command. So again into terminal, let's clear this. Oh, here it is. Okay, so command is Docker run name, container name. So I'll just give a web1. I'll run it as in detach mode, and port is going to be 3001, and in container it is 3000. And now we need to give the image name. So image name is Mukesh Singh Talk slash my YouTube app. I think this much is enough. So now you can see the container is created and our app is running. So we can verify it here. Yeah, here you can see it is running. So as here you can see, now we are running it in port 3001 from our containers. So you can see it has a change. Welcome to Tech Word with Mukesh. So now what we want to do is we want to deploy it in Azure App Service. So for that purpose, we need to push this image to image registry. So for that purpose, I'm going to use Docker Hub. So Docker Hub is an image registry where we can find many of the official images and even I had pushed already these two images and we'll create this new one. So to push it, uh, we have to run few commands. So already we are running this. So first thing what we have to do is we have to do Docker login to be able to push the image. So Docker login. Here it will ask for username and password. So username and password. Okay, login succeeded. So once the login is succeeded, we have to push the image. So for that purpose, Docker push and the image name. So image name is Mukesh Singh Doc my YouTube app. And this is going to push this image to Docker Hub. Meanwhile, it is pushing this image to Docker Hub. Uh, we'll create one Azure App Service. So let's go to the portal and here click on this App Service, create web app, source group, and Mukesh YouTube app. Okay, it's available. So here we'll choose a Docker container and I'll let this as is. And even in plan, I'll change to basic and rest everything as is. Review and create. So this deployment is in progress. And here let's see what's the progress of the deployment. This pushing of image, it is still in progress. The image is pushed now. And our app service is also created. So if I refresh here at Docker Hub, we should, yeah, now you can see it here. We have it. And let's go to Azure portal, go to resources. To publish the image, what we'll do is we'll go to this deployment center. Deployment center, container registry, single container. And here we choose Docker Hub, public. Here we give the image name. So It is Mukesh Singh doc my YouTube app. Okay, and the rest nothing need to be. Okay, and now I'll hit save. So once we save it, it will download the image and run it as a container in this web app. So we can see the logs here. So in this log, you can see it is saying container is running. So we'll go to overview, and here we have the URL. So we'll click over it, and it will open the web app, what we had, uh, we are running in this container. As you can see, it is running over Azure App Service. So thanks everyone for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.